So here you guys, as we get started on this romantic dinner for two, I have my rose petals laid out. As my husband walks into the dining room, he will find here I have used a swag curtain to create this beautiful space that he will be able to see as he walks into the dining room. We have rose petals that will let him know that there will be a very beautiful and a very romantic setup for him. So you guys continue to watch and continue to enjoy this space that I have created.
Second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am ggfaison, and today I will be sharing with you my table setup for dinner for two. Now I will just have everything laid out. There will be no food served at this event here, but if you come back on Valentine's Day, I will share with you the meal that we will be partaking in on that lovely day. So I thank each and every one of you for stopping by, as this collaboration is closed, that is created by a group of amazing and very talented ladies. I mean, tablescapes like you have never seen before. I mean, their content from DIYing and any and everything else that you can think about on a channel, they have available. So you guys, I thank you all so much for stopping by here today, as I will be sharing with you my creation for this lovely event. Now those beautiful, amazing, and very talented ladies that I am speaking of is none other than the host of this collaboration. We have Miss Glamour Ellen, inspired by Chanel, decorating at Aunt's Place, and the lovely Mz Kaye over at Kreating with Mz Kaye. And I happen to be her guest for this collaboration. So you guys, I will be sharing with you my place setting, my setup for dinner for two. I will be using a sea of red. So I hope you guys will enjoy what I will be sharing. Now, if you are new to my channel here, let me say to you now, I welcome you and I appreciate you for stopping by. If you like what you see, then I encourage you at this point in time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice, so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. I do welcome you. And for those of you that are my loyal supporters and those of you that leave me such beautiful comments, I appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you, I love you, and I welcome you to continue to journey with me as we take this journey together. But today, I am sharing with you my setup, so please continue to watch.
Passing homes, yeah, right by sunset color.
Our place settings are the same. We have our dessert bowl. Of course, we're going to have some dessert. We have our salad plate, our dinner plate, and a charger. Now my charger plate is round because I did not have a square one. Well, I do have a square one, but it wasn't fitting for this setting here. So I chose to just layer it with this round charger plate here, just for definition. But I think it works out very well. I have created a bow with my napkin with a little heart here. So I think I have created the romantic setup for two. And at the ends of the table, I've just added a throw, a pillow, and placed some roses there, just to keep it all looking very romantic. And those candles that you see here, they are a DIY. The candelabra, the silver, is from Burlington. And those beautiful, tall, slender candelabras there, the black ones, they are from Hobby Lobby. And I just love how this looks. Hey guys, I thank you all so much for stopping by. I truly hope that you have enjoyed the content in which I shared. I want to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. And a special thanks to the host of this challenge, which is Glamour Ellen, inspired by Chanel, Antoinette of Ants, Decorating with Ants, and Kay over at Kreating with Mz Kaye. I thank you all ladies for allowing me to participate with you guys, and a special thanks to Kay for choosing me to be one of her guests for this collaboration. I thank each and every one of my subscribers for stopping by, and I thank the new, if you're new, I thank you and I appreciate you as well. I want you to know that you are certainly welcome here at this channel, and if you would like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. Now that notification is that bell that you see. Press it twice. I thank you guys. Now, I thank all of you, and I pray nothing but blessings upon each and every one of you. I hope that your Valentine's Day is an amazing day, and that you receive or do the things in which you wish to do. I know my hubby will be pleased as soon as he walks in and spot those rose petals. He will know that he is going to be receiving a very special treat as I treat him dinner for two on this getaway. Just use your imagination. I had a few hints inside my table decor there and on the side, and I hope you picked up on that. But we can do dinner in Paris. We can dream. We're not going to Paris now, but it doesn't hurt to dream. So you guys, I thank each and every one of you. Be blessed and take care. And until I see you again, thank you.
Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together?